lambe atu he mo e fie hu. Pahu inga o e tau whatuma motua. Tai be. We'll sing again the first verse, eh? Ready? Sing. Ufana he whakanau e whanua o whake, a tāpea o whake mofu, te ulambe lambe atu he mo e fie hua mahu inga o e tau whatuma motua. Second verse. Kotala kumaki, ready, half, ready, first half, ready, sing. Kotala kumaki, ai whakare koula, ai whakare, together. Whaka apa, waka whawhish. Roto tota uhiwa, ke tupu, together. Otua motonga, koko kutofia. Eh? Okay, the second verse.
Are you focusing? Turn around.
After this, we start with the whakalongolongo, eh?
Oh.
Ready? Second verse, first half. Ready? Go. Kotala kumaki, ai whakare koula, ai whakare koula, together. Whaka apa, morko whawhanua, roto tota uhiwa, ke tupu, together. Otua motonga, koko kutofia. Okay. We'll listen to our Punake, eh?
Yeah. Up. Yeah. Yeah. From there. Okay. Yeah. Yeah.
Oh, even you should go.
Okay. Am I like that?